There are so many fears that we have in our life. So many fears. And it is said that this mantra destroys all our fears.
Om Namah Shivaya. A mantra of limitless possibilities, potential and power. Lord Shiva is the destroyer of fear, uncertainty and death. Knowing Him takes us to a state of fearlessness and immortality. The Shiva Panchakshara Stotram, penned by Sri Adi Shankaracharya, delves deep into the essence of Namah Shivaya. This mantra can elevate us beyond the mundane, leading to profound spiritual evolution. Each syllable's significance and its impact on our daily lives are explored in this transformative composition. Discover its profound meaning and secrets in a series of 5 evening talks with Swami Swaroopananda, Global Head of Chinmaya Mission. Swamiji's masterful exposition will reveal life-changing truths and the formula for true success. All talks are free and in English.